Greetings, blessed love, and welcome again to my channel. I am Life and Light Productions. Just Sparks. I am your host. Today, I will be bringing another one of nature's gem to the eyes them, keeping in mind that these herbs that I'm bringing are considered weeds, plants that we usually overlook, step on, as they have no value. So the abundance of wealth, of health that is all around us, we have to take notice of, because in Babylon we learn to go and eat the lettuce and the spinach and the kale. And we learn all these things here were manufactured in a lab. You see it? And the true healing of the nation, which is the little herbs them that is in our yard, that they classify as weeds, which is packed with more vitamins and minerals than the lettuce and the spinach and such. We are overlooking. So my purpose is to bring the finer things of life that is right in front of our yard, right in front of us, to the awareness of us. Will I? This wonderful gem of nature here, know the items see it all around. This herb is an anthelmintic. It is a depurative, a diaphoretic. It treats digestive problems. It's a diuretic. It is a febrifuge, pectoral, and stomachic. It treats remittent fevers, gastric irritation, nervous depression, and it's used as a tonic. It's also used to treat jaundice and other liver conditions. It's used to treat viral infections, cancer, acne, boils, appendix issues, hepatitis, eye problems, and bleeding. It's also used to facilitate childbirth. It's used for stomach diseases, coughs, bronchitis, necrosis, to clear heat and toxins in the body. It treats gastrointestinal tumors or pulmonary tumors, sore throats, urinary tract infections, snake bites, and it's an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and anti-cancer. This little gem of nature. It also treats asthma, tuberculosis, constipation, and leprosy, malaria, and colic. It is a rich source of protein, carbohydrate, minerals, and vitamins, especially vitamins B and antioxidants. This herb is called the Old World Diamond Flower or the Flat Top Milligrain. The herb is said to be used with the Globe Amaranth. It's excellent together. It tastes good, just like any other leafy, vegetable like lettuce or spinach, and it's very good tasting. So we have to keep in mind our health is right in front of us. We don't have to step over it to go to the supermarket. You know what I'm saying? We don't have to step over the herbs them. If you look at a little herb and it look curious to you, it brings your, interest to you. You go look it up, see what it is. It just might be your cure. So until next time, I do give thanks to the eyes them joining in. This is I am Life and Light Productions, and I am Just Sparks. I am your host. Yes, so until time, we do give thanks.